If we take a look around at how we live today, what do we see? Well, we see a world of rapid climate change, dwindling resources, and unsustainable consumption. A linear world where raw materials are turned into products that are eventually turned into waste. What a waste. What if there was a better way?
At IKEA, we've developed a new set of building blocks coated with a self-healing polymer. To activate the self-healing properties, you have to heat it with an induction gun and then just press them together. And to break the joint, you just heat them again.
What if new things could be made from old things? Then products wouldn't just be products. They would be resources, material banks for the future, so that we can easily repair, renew, or upgrade them, and making sure it's easy for every single piece to be repurposed or remanufactured, and then, at the very end, recycled. Things would last so much longer, and we could all play our part by reselling or passing them on, moving us closer to a world without waste. We need a new mindset, a new way to make products live multiple lives. At IKEA, we're committed to transforming our complete business to become circular so that we can make it easier for people to live better and more sustainable lives with the products we make, until one day they are needed somewhere else by someone else as something else entirely.